What is up, guys? Now, I noticed a lot of you really love glitter. And you also love my wife's ideas, which was literally the fire video and the crackle video, which you can click right here to see those. But today, her idea was making a mega glitter tumbler. Now, that already sounds amazing. I don't know about you. It excites me. I get downright tickled when I think about putting all that glitter on here. Anyway, so then you wonder, where am I going to get all this glitter? I'm glad you asked, because that brings us to the sponsor of today's video, Magic Fly. Magic Fly was kind enough to send me this whole box of 50 glorious glitters that we're going to use on this cup. Now, oh, hey, got a little dirty there. So I don't know if I'll be able to use 50, but I'm going to use as many as I can. I'm going to load this bad boy up. My idea is to do a swirl type all the way down. Oh. Get out of here. Get off. It's not time to glitter the cup yet. So Magic Fly was kind enough to send this pack of 50 glorious, beautiful colored glitters. And they said, we love you and your videos so much, and all the people that watch your videos, we're going to send you a special discount link for all your viewers so that you out there in YouTube land can benefit too. Don't be jealous of all these glitters. Just go get your own. There's a link in the description. Use the discount code Duncan at checkout, and you can have this too. Oh, geez, I about broke my camera. You can have this too. Let's all just glitter the whole world together and just make it beautiful. Now, let's see what we can do with this. So, I was trying to figure, what's the best way to get glitters on here and like in a cool, easy, fast way? Because I sanded it in this white already. I'm not going to paint a bunch of swirls on here, a bunch of colors, because really, for one, that'll take too long, and I'm lazy. So, I thought maybe I would use tack it. Then I thought, nah, that'll take too long. You gotta wait 15 minutes for that stuff to tack over. Who has time for that? Anyway, that's not really a long time. So, what I decided is I would just stick it on the resiner and resin a thin layer on it and then just sprinkle the glitters as it turns. It sounds super easy. So in my mind it works, and that makes me happy. So I'm going to do it. Let's go. Alright, I got my cup on my resiner, spinning, got my resin mixed up. Hey, I got an idea. Let's play a fun game. There's going to be a pop-up right here, and it's going to ask you how many of those glitter colors do you think that I get on here? I'm going for as many as possible. And what my idea is, I'm going to kind of do like a little rainbow thing, like a little work its way down. I don't know if it'll work, but let's just get this thing resining real quick and then we'll see. Be sure to rub your resin in like a good little boy. Like, hey, who's your good boy? Who's your good boy? Who's your good boy? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. But the reason you do that is because you'll get little spots that'll want to resist resin sometimes, and you just give them a little good aggressive rubbing in, and then it'll fix itself right up. So I just want to point that out to you. Okay, thank you. Be right back. Okay, so this has been spinning for a minute. I did touch it with the glittery hands. You might see it as it spins around, but who cares? This is just for this stuff to stick onto. And these things have two different pour caps. I'm going to use the sprinkle one and see how that... Hold on. There we go. I'm trying to be easy. I don't want to jerk it and it fly all over the whole cup. And then you got a cup that's all just this color, which is a pretty color. I mean, it's called Rose Red. So that's what we're going to start with. So let's just go for it and see how it goes. Sprinkle, sprinkle. Oh, wow, this thing spins fast. I'm going to turn it off. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I turn my thingy off. And I'm going to do it and twist it by hand. And then we're going to get a little pattern here. Now normally, you would catch the resin as it comes off. if it was like, ooh, geez. If it was like the tack it method. But you can't catch this because it's turning. I mean, because it's on resin. I'm trying to focus here. I want a nice line. Next color, color number 2. So this one is red. Pretty, So I don't know if you guys want to watch me do this the whole way. I might speed it up. I don't know. We'll see in the edit. If you're watching this and you hear me talk, guess what? I didn't speed it up right here. I want a lot of glitter, dude. I'm really load this thing down. You know what I'm saying? Touch the cup. It doesn't matter. Okay, we're going to time lapse this. So let's go. So as you see, I used 18 colors. If you were right, congratulations. The only thing you didn't see was I took the thing off and I put black on the bottom. It's like a black midnight blue, midnight blacky. I don't know. It just looks cool. If you don't like it, do something different on yours. Thing about it is, I don't really have a plan with this stuff too much. I just do whatever I'm feeling, and I was feeling it. Look at that cool how it faded down at the bottom. I'm pretty stoked about that. It looks pretty sick, and we'll let this spin overnight. I'll come back in the morning, and it should look pretty cool. Or it could look like crap. But if it looks like crap, I'll say it looks awesome. So don't judge me. Stay tuned to the end, and you'll also have a chance to win this tumbler when I get done with it. And I'll tell you how at the end of the video. The next day. Alright, so we're just going to go ahead and start by putting another layer of resin on this. Anyway, I want to tell you, you see how it's kind of dull looking? It's not as sparkly as it was. I want to leave out the step that this morning I went ahead and sprayed a little hit of this, 2 coats real quick. And if you, like I said in all my videos, if you don't know how to use this, click the link right here. It'll take you right to that video, shows you all about using that. But the reason I did that is because there's still some loose glitter, and I wanted to minimize the glitters on this layer floating to the top and making the little rough surface. But it's not a necessary step, but it's just a hey, why not? You know what I'm saying? I've had my resin on here for a few minutes. Just let it roll for a minute to let it level out. And it's looking bling-tastic, if you can tell. It looks amazing. So, and I filled up my alcohol ink bottle. I'm just going to put a few drips. I'm going to try to control myself so that I don't put too much. I just want a little wispy looking floating around. Like, look, oh, I dropped something. Get out my handy dandy tweezers. If you hadn't heard me talk about these tweezers, the link is in the description. Just get some. It'll save your life. Disaster averted. I mean, you can see a little bit, so that'll be where I put my first dip. Drip. Drip. I'll try to contain myself and not go overboard and put too much, but this stuff is addicting and it's fun, and it's hard to make yourself stop once you start. because it's so easy. Just put a little drip here, a little dribble there. Bloop, bloop. And dip. I got one so it'll roll down the side. Let's put one up. One wants to live up here up top. I think I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna try to stop. I'm gonna let it roll for a minute, look at it, see how it spreads out, and then I may add some more. You never know. I might get a little crazy. I want to tell you guys a funny story. A lot of people, not just one, like this happened several times. People call me you're like the Bob Ross of Tumblers or something. So say this is a rainbow in the sky, and these are happy little clouds. They're floating all around the rainbow. They just live up there in the sky with the rainbow. All right, so it's been about 2, maybe 3 minutes. I'm kind of impatient sometimes, but I got out the old heat gun. I'm gonna move it around a little bit, give it a little persuasion. Don't get it too close, or you'll dry it and it won't move at all. Oh crap, look at that glitter under there. Put a piece of paper down so that glitter doesn't blow up all over the place. This is making a mess. Smarter, not harder. Let's spread these happy little clouds out. Look at that movement, baby. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Alright guys, now it's time for me to tell you how you can enter to win this beautiful, magical rainbow and happy clouds. First, you gotta subscribe and hit the bell notification. Next, follow me on Instagram and drop your Instagram in the comments below. I'll be picking a winner when this video hits 1,000 likes, so you know what to do. Also, I need you guys to drop me some comments below and let me know what type of things you want to see me do next. So let me know below. Ooh, it looked like a hurricane at the bottom. That's sick. Anyway, I love you guys, and I thank you and you and you. Hey, you in the back. Thank you for liking what I do, and whoever's going to get this is going to have to wash it because I'm rubbing all over this thing. I'm just kidding. Anyway, see you on the next video. Goodbye.